Guys, today I'm gonna to try again my wedding dress, and I have tried before but it's not fit. I think that is 6 months ago. I forgot about it, but today I'm gonna to try it and let's see if it's fit me again or never. OMG, it's just too much. You know what? Cannot even button it. I cannot even button it. Behind is so got my bra. Boing. You what? No, it's not good. It's not going. Help. I need someone to put in. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, this one is blue. Only half of it. Okay, forget about it. It's not fit anymore. So it's not fit. What can I do? It's not fit anymore. It's getting too fat. Okay guys, that is for today. It's not fit. Too bad for me. Oh, I really hope that was fit. And look, my hair is everywhere because I'm sweat. Okay guys, this wedding dress is really not fit anymore. I already tried, but it's not go inside. It's the sliding here, the behind is not whole. So see you next time. Bye bye.